In this session, we will discuss some of the questions which have been asked in CUET PG Museology 2025 examination. Now, the complete paper solution is available on Exam PYQ for more details. The first question is the total number of Jataka stories which have been given or texted are somewhere around 500, and these talks about the previous life of Buddha, both in the human form, in the animal form, the various ethical and moral stories that could be given, and the virtues and the qualities of life throughout his upbringing from Siddhartha Gautama to Buddhahood, that has been explained. The next is the place of birth for the 23rd Tirthankar of Jainism is Varanasi. In Jainism, there are 24 Tirthankars. The 23rd Tirthankar is Tirthankar Parshnath, and the birthplace of Tirthankar Parshnath is associated as Varanasi. Knowing all the 24 Tirthankars, their place of birth, their place of nirvana is and their symbol is important for your examination point of view. The next is Maharshi Charak. Now, Maharshi Charak and Maharshi Shushastru, both of them are known in the field of medicine. So Maharshi Charak is known as the father of medicine. Maharshi Shushastra is known as the father of surgery. So here the correct answer is medicine, right? Then we have the Charak Samhita, which is the foundational basis for the concepts of Ayurveda in India, and they have been associated with the basics of the physicians and the medical scholars in India. Now, the Tirthankar, as we said, Jainism has 24 Tirthankar. And who were Tirthankars? Tirthankars were the spiritual teachers. Now, Tirthankar word is derived from Sanskrit, which is Tirtha, that is meaning the passage, and Kar means the maker. So, it's the maker of that passage, and one who establishes a path to actually cross the suffering and the sansar, that is the cycle of death and rebirth, and they are believed to be the ones who attained complete enlightenment, or what is called as Kevalya Gyan in Jainism, and then they have the ability to teach others the way to achieve the liberation. So here the correct answer is spiritual teacher. The next is Jaina scripts are known as Agam. Now, Agam means, the word itself is derived from the Sanskrit word which means that which has come down, and it talks about the tradition or the knowledge that has been passed from generations of Tirthankars to their disciples, and this teaching has been seen specifically through the various categories. The Jain Agams are actually divided into 12 ang or 12 limbs, and they cover the various aspects. Now, these 12 agams actually focus on cosmology, ethics, philosophy, the life stories of Tirthankars, and they are written in what is known as Prakrit language, and even in the Prakrit, it is the Ardh Magdi Prakrit language. So these are some of the important aspects associated with Jain scriptures. Tripitakas in their sense are associated with Buddhism. Puran and Upanishad are associated with Hinduism. So those are some of the questions that we have discussed under this. Of course, if you are looking to go into the complete details on museology, you can find the complete course on museology available for practice and preparation. So you can just go on to the Exam PYQ CUET PG, and you'll be able to get the complete preparation for the museology content as well. So thanks for joining. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back. Have a great day.